Can you still eat cheap on the Las Vegas Strip? Today, we're hunting down the best budget quick eats you can actually afford, and some of these spots might surprise you. First stop, Tacos El Gordo, one of the most famous quick eat spots on the entire Strip. And the moment you walk up, you can see why. The menu is loaded, the lines move fast, and the aroma hits you before you even get inside. This place is all about watching your food come to life right in front of you. From the sizzling asada on the grill to the iconic spinning adobada trompo. Honestly, part of the experience is the show. These cooks move with serious speed and the quality never drops. For this stop, we kept it classic. We grabbed a few asada tacos and a few adobada, always a must here. And once they hit the plate, yep, they look as good as they taste. The tortillas are warm and soft, the meat is tender, and that adobada, perfect balance of flavor and just a little bit of heat. This is the kind of quick bite that makes you forget you're even on the Strip. Price-wise, each taco comes out to $4, and we ordered 6, bringing our total to $24. Not the cheapest tacos in Vegas, but for Strip prices and for the quality, it's hard to beat. Next up, we're at Pin Up Pizza inside Harris, famous for serving up some of the biggest slices on the Strip. Right up front, you'll see that the deal, $9.99 for a slice and a drink, which isn't bad at all for this part of Las Vegas. They keep the display case stacked, so you know exactly what you're getting. Giant slices, fresh out of the oven, with that classic New York style look. And once you get it to the table, it really is a big as advertised. A simple quick bite and a solid budget option when you want a slice without that sit-down price. Next up, we're swinging by White Castle inside Casino Royale, a classic Vegas quick eat option. Right off the bat, that deal catches your eye. 4 sliders, fries, and a drink for just $9.99. Not bad for the Strip. Behind the counter, you can see the cooks hard at work preparing the sliders, fresh and keeping everything moving fast. Once it hits the table, it's picture perfect. Tiny, juicy sliders, golden fries, and a drink to wash it all down. Quick, tasty, and totally budget friendly. Exactly what you're looking for on the Strip.
See that right there? Buy them by the set. White Castles, you can eat those things all night long. Buy them by the sack.
Right here inside Casino Royale, the legendary $3.99 footlong. Quick, cheap, and filling. Perfect for a burger bite on the Strip. Next up, we're at BS Taqueria inside the Venetian, known for their flavorful Mexican dishes and big portions. The menu alone is tempting, but we came for one thing only that everyone talks about, the birria nachos. Behind the counter, you can see the cooks working hard, melting that cheese, slow cooking that meat, and layering everything just right. Wow, this plate is big enough to share, loaded with tender, juicy birria, melted cheese, and fresh toppings. One bite and it's clear why these nachos have such a reputation. Savory, rich, and totally satisfying. And for around $15, it's a solid value for a shareable, delicious Strip snack. Now, before we leave the Venetian, we had to try a slice from Scar's Pizza, a New York-style spot that focuses on organic, all-natural ingredients. Now check this out. Fresh from the oven, straight into your hands with that perfect golden crust and melted cheese. And the best part, each slice is just $8. A quick, tasty, and surprisingly affordable bite on the Strip. A quick walk by here at Guy Frier's all-you-can-eat brunch. $19.99 at Horseshoe and $24.99 at The Link. A solid deal if you're looking for a budget buffet on the Strip. Next stop, we're heading into the Miracle Mile Shops, one of the best places on the Strip for a quick, cheap eats. First stop, Earl of Sandwich. Their menu is loaded with budget-friendly options, most sandwiches around $9.99, and breakfast sandwiches starting at just $5.95, guys. Great prices, fast service, and one of the most reliable cheap eats in the area. Inside the Miracle Mile food court, you've got even more cheap options. Dave's Hot Chicken with sandwiches starting at just $6, and Chipotle is serving full burritos and chicken bowls for around $10. Plenty of budget-friendly choices, all in one spot. Next up is Ketchup, a spot known for its rotating daily specials, including 2-for-1 hot dogs and a bunch of other deals depending on the day. But we came for the one thing they offer every day, the burger and fries for just $5.99. And for that price, it's a solid quick bite, simple, cheap, and hits the spot. Now, before starting your day, you can grab a quick breakfast bite at La Salsa Cantina inside Miracle Mile shops. The $6.99 breakfast comes with your choice of sausage or bacon, eggs, potatoes, and a tortilla. A good start without breaking the bank. And finally, one of the best late-night quick eats on the Strip, the secret pizza at the Cosmopolitan.
So guys, secret pizza is another late night gem. It's going to be hard for you to find because they don't put a sign or anything up here. So your point is find Blue Ribbon up here on the 3rd floor at the Cosmopolitan, and then you'll see this long little walkway right here with nothing right there, and then you can make your way to the back and there's pizza back here.
There's no sign, no direction, just this hidden hallway. But once you make it down the walk, you're greeted with one of the most famous pizza spots in Vegas. You'll see the menu, the display full of fresh slices, and of course, we had to try one. At $8.99 a slice, it's not only affordable for the Strip, it's easily one of the best tasting pizzas you can get here. And as you can see, I definitely approve. All of these spots prove you don't have to spend a fortune to eat well on the Strip, guys. If you enjoyed this tour, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know your favorite budget eats in Vegas. Maybe we'll check them out next time.